मैं ना तो करंट कांग्रेस की बात कर रहा हूं, ना यूपीए की बात कर रहा हूं, ना मैं राजीव गांधी की बात कर रहा हूं जिसने सैटेनिक वर्सेस बंद करी और इतनी सारी बंद करी। मैंने पूरा एक लिस्ट बनाया हुआ है यार, 300 इंस्टेंसेस। ना मैं इंदिरा गांधी की बात कर रहा हूं जिसने इमरजेंसी प्रोक्लेम करी। मैं हम सबके प्रिय चाचा नेहरू की बात कर रहा हूं, जिनको सब लोग समझते हैं कि यार ही वॉज द रियल बीकन ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन। वो इस देश में आदमी जो बोलना चाहता था वो बोलने की आज़ादी दी है। तो ये मनु, माय डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज फॉर यू व्हेन यू से कांग्रेस इज नॉट गुड एट स्टाइफलिंग, दिस इज डायरेक्टली स्टाइफलिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन अंडर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, अंडर हिम। द फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट ब्रॉट इन, सबसे ज्यादा ड्रैकोनियन, reasonable restrictions, incitement, disruption of public order. Poet Majru Sultanpuri jailed for 1 year for calling Nehru Hitler ka chela in a poem. First democratically elected communist government in Kerala dismissed. Congress president said communist parties wouldn't be allowed to participate in general elections. Stanley Wopert's book 9 Hours to Rama was banned. The book Chandra Mohini was banned. Aubrey Menon's The Ramayana was banned. Campbell's The Heart of India was banned. Koestler's The Lotus and the Robot was banned. Import of any newspaper that undermined friendly relations with foreign states was banned. Aziz Beg's Captive Kashmir was banned. Freischler's Aisha was banned. Bertrand Russell's Unarmed Victory was banned. Robson's film 9 Hours to Rama was banned. Sardanvi's Marka-e Somnath was banned. Robert Taylor's The Dark Urge was banned. Selling Lady Chatelier's Lover was banned. The book What Has Religion Done for Mankind was banned. Ratwanak's Bhupat Singh was banned. Import of any obscene drawing or painting, including Picasso's paintings, was banned. Mrinal Sen's film Neel Akshar Niche was banned. Tony Hagen's book Nepal was banned. The RSS's organizers was censored. Its publishers prosecuted. Film Gokul Shankar was banned. Godse's testimony was banned. Goswami's film Runumi was banned. Historian Dharampal was jailed for criticizing Nehru post-India-China war. Release of 1962 war film Bhool Na Jana was blocked. President Rajendra Prasad's speech was barred from distribution. Film Jharna was banned. Draconian Press Objectionable Act was passed. Columnist Vivek was fired. His column critical of Nehru discontinued. HT editor Durga was fired. His column critical of Nehru family discontinued. Congress leaders demanding Nehru's resignation post-1962 was arrested and jailed. Ads to the Times of India were discontinued for speaking against government policy. Magazine Crossroads was banned. Play Nigaline Communistaki was banned. Its actors arrested. Hindi film songs were banned from being played on the All India radio. Congress demanded a ban on the iconic film Parasakti. Film Nastik was banned. Western pop music was banned from the AIR. People's Theatre Association was banned. Play Hariprada Master was banned. Film Ganga Jamna was blocked. Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay's play Mahesh was banned. Tagore's play Gora was banned. Balraj Sani's play Jadoo Ki Kursi was banned. Tagore's play Bisarjan was banned. Pradeep's film Song was deleted. 2 songs from the film Fir Subah Hogi were banned. Harmonium was banned from the AIR. Film Jugnu was banned. Editor Prahlad Keshav Atre was jailed for writing a critical article. ये सब नेहरू के अंडर हुआ है। और मनु कह रहा है कि कांग्रेस was not good at it, was not instilling fear in people.
हारमोनियम क्यों बैन हुआ?
हारमोनियम बैन कर, नेहरू जी को अच्छा नहीं लगता था, साउंड नहीं अच्छा लगता था उसका।
सीरियसली बताइए?
हाँ, यस,
सीरियसली,
यस।
एक मिनट, हारमोनियम,
यू डिड नॉट नो दिस?
नेहरू जी ने हारमोनियम बैन करवाया क्योंकि उसका साउंड उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता?
हाँ, ही डिडंट लाइक द साउंड।
ये फैक्ट है,
इट इज अ फैक्ट, चेक इट। हारमोनियम वाज बैंड।
और आपने बताया किसी फिल्म का 2 गाना बैन?
2 गाने, या
क्यों, क्या था गाने में?
54 थिंग्स वर बैंड। ये नेहरू कर रहा है, और नेहरू की इमेज क्या है? लिबर्टेरियन, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन। इंदिरा की तो चलो इमरजेंसी आ जाती है, राजीव के आपका बात करो तो सैटेनिक वर्सेस आ जाता है। नेहरू तो हर कोई सोचता है कि यार महान आदमी था, कुछ बैन नहीं किया था। तो प्रॉब्लम मेरी उन लोगों से नहीं है जो कि दलाली कर रहे हैं कांग्रेस की। प्रॉब्लम इंटेलिजेंट लोगों से है जो कि गलत फैला रहे हैं यार।